Understanding restoration funding. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and very relevant topic: restoration funding. If you've ever wondered what this term means and why it's important, you're in the right place. Let's break it down together, ensuring you walk away with a clear understanding. So, let's get started. Restoration funding refers to the financial resources allocated for the purpose of restoring, repairing, or rebuilding something to its original or a better condition. This could apply to a wide range of projects, from environmental restoration, such as reforesting lands or cleaning up polluted rivers, to the restoration of historic buildings, artworks, or even communities affected by natural disasters. The key idea here is the investment in bringing something back to life or to its former glory. There are several sources where restoration funding can come from. The most common ones include government grants, funds provided by local, state, or federal governments dedicated to restoration projects; private donations, financial contributions from individuals, corporations, or nonprofit organizations; crowdfunding, raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet; international aid, for large-scale restoration efforts, especially in the wake of natural disasters. International organizations and foreign governments may also contribute funds. Understanding where the funding comes from is crucial because it often influences the objectives, scope, and implementation of the restoration project. Restoration funding is not just about the money. It's about what the money achieves. Here are a few reasons why it's so important. Environmental conservation helps in preserving biodiversity, combating climate change, and protecting ecosystems. Cultural heritage ensures that future generations can learn from and enjoy historical landmarks and artworks. Community resilience aids in the recovery of communities hit by natural disasters, making them stronger and more prepared for future challenges. Each restoration project funded brings us a step closer to a more sustainable and culturally rich world. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of restoration funding and its significance in various spheres of our lives. Whether it's reviving a forest, restoring a centuries-old painting, or rebuilding a community after a disaster, the funds dedicated to these projects make a tremendous difference. Remember, every effort towards restoration is a step towards a more resilient and beautiful world. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.